Welcome to our comparison of two of the most popular drones on the market today, the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Neo. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, understanding the differences between these two models is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to weight and portability, the DJI Mini 4 Pro weighs in at 249 grams, making it compact yet slightly heavier than the DJI Neo, which weighs only 135 grams. This difference makes the Neo an incredibly portable option, ideal for casual users who prioritize ease of transport. However, the Mini 4 Pro's compact design still allows for easy carrying, especially for those who need advanced features. In terms of image quality, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out with its impressive 48 megapixels camera that captures stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR video. This is a significant upgrade compared to the DJI Neo, which offers 4K UHD video but lacks the same resolution and HDR capabilities. For those who prioritize high-quality imaging, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Flight time is another critical factor to consider. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers an impressive flight time of up to 135 minutes with its Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. In contrast, the DJI Neo provides a maximum flight time of 54 minutes with its 3 batteries. While the Neo is still a solid choice for casual flying, the Mini 4 Pro's longer flight time is a significant advantage for serious users. In conclusion, both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Neo offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The Mini 4 Pro excels in image quality, flight time, and advanced features, making it a premium choice for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DJI Neo is an excellent budget-friendly option for beginners and casual users who value portability and ease of use. We hope this comparison helped you decide which drone is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.